So today we're gonna be trying out the new L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow foundation, and I've worn this about twice already, so this is not a first impressions. I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply it, what are my thoughts about it, how it lasts through the day. So yeah, and this does not have a glowy finish to me at all. It has a demi matte finish, but it's very moisturizing. This is it on my hand. I'm gonna blend it out and I'm gonna let it set and dry, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. When it's applied like this, it does look glowy, but when it sets and dries down, it's more a demi matte finish to me than anything else. So it's a very liquidy foundation also. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Ultimate blending brush. If you use a sponge with this foundation, it's gonna give you more like a CC or BB cream coverage, because this is very light coverage. It's more medium coverage than anything else to me. And the packaging is similar to the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. The only thing, it has this blue writing on it. That's the only difference. So gotta get my hair out the way. And I've also used this foundation on clients, so I can tell you how it works. I wish I got 210, but to me, I got, oh, my shade is in 209 Caramel Beige. And the reason why I wished I got 210 is because I rather work with a little bit of a darker foundation, because I feel like it covers imperfections easier than building up coverage on your face with more foundation. But this looks like a perfect match for my skin tone. And if you want to see this makeup, the eyeshadow look, I'll link that below for you guys also. I may be wrong, because when I look at this foundation now, or maybe it's my lighting, it does give you a bit of glow. Yeah, it's more of a satin finish. To me, it's not like a really glowy foundation. It's more like a satin finish that reflects light. As I move my face, you can see that it's reflecting the light off my face. So I'm gonna come close up so you guys can see. It gives me like a good medium coverage, but as you can see, my mole, I have two moles right here, they're still peeking through the foundation. I have a few acne spots right here and right here that are still peeking through the foundation also. So I'm gonna see if this is buildable, if I can build it up to a full coverage. And also this is very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I'm caking on makeup on my skin. It's a very lightweight, just like the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. So as you can see, the foundation build up to a full coverage very easily. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin. It doesn't feel like I want to scrape my skin off or any of that. It's very lightweight. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and come to you guys and tell you guys what are my thoughts about it. And then later on in the day, I'll come give you guys updates as the day goes by and the day progresses. And I'm sorry if I'm lisping. I just changed my tongue ring for the first time, and that's why I'm talking like I have a lisp. So please excuse that. So this is how the foundation looks, completely applied with my concealer, highlighter, bronzer, contour, all of that. This foundation blends easily into the skin. It sets very well. It doesn't slip and slide all around, even though it's like a satiny finish. Powder apply amazing on top of it. It's an all-around good foundation, and also it's very moisturizing. I feel like it's just they put a little bit of illuminator, a little bit of water to lighten the consistency of the foundation, but I feel like it's like the Pro Matte, like younger sister basically. So they did a good job. I really like the foundation, and it actually, the color is actually very perfect for me. Like when I bronze and everything, it's perfect. So I'll come back to you guys and check up throughout the day, so you can see how it wears and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you in a few hours or so. And if you guys want to see the tutorial for this makeup look, I'll link it below in the description box and also in the cards above. I got y'all. So yeah, see you in a few hours. Hi guys, so I'm here to do an update on the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and it's currently, my phone battery is dead. It is 2:01. I hope you guys can see it. It's 2:01, and as you can see, my natural oils are starting to seep through the foundation. It still looks nice, and I'm getting a bit greasy around my T-zone area. I haven't blotted all day because I've been outside doing an outfit of the day and also taking pictures. So I've been in the sun, I've been outside. So yeah, and I applied this foundation at 9:30 a.m. and it's now 2:01 a 2:01 p.m. So as you can see, it's holding up pretty good. It's not cracking, it doesn't look patchy, none of that. So I'm very impressed so far with this foundation, and I'll come back to you guys again later on to give you another update about how it looks. But first, I'm gonna blot off some of the sweat on my face. So that's how, and if you see like a little mark, that's because I had sunglasses on. That's not the foundation, that's my glasses that did that. So this is how it looks blotted. It still looks amazing on the skin. It doesn't feel like cakey on my face, none of that. So I'll come back to you guys with another update later on in the evening. So see you in a minute. Hi guys, so I'm here to do my second check-in. It's officially 6:24 p.m. and this is how my skin look. As you can see, I'm pretty oily. I get oily around my T-zone area most of the time, but the rest of my face is pretty normal to dry most of the time. In the winter time, I have very dry skin, but in the summertime I have normal to combination skin. So this is how it looks. As you can see, I'm oily around this area and this area, my T-zone area of my face, and it's been 6 hours. The foundation has not been cracking. It has faded a little bit, not too much though that it's noticeable. So now I'm gonna blot my skin. And once this hits the 8-hour mark, I'm gonna come back again and do another update for you guys, and then I'll wrap up this review for this product and tell you guys my thoughts and all that. So I'll see you in the next update. Hi guys, so it's officially 11:03 and this is the end of the wear test. It's 10 hours. It has been 9 hours since I've been wearing this foundation, and I can tell you it held up pretty good. It's it kind of has build up around my nose area, around my mouth area, around my eyes, but all in all, this foundation still looks good. The coverage has faded a little bit, but that's with any foundation that you have been wearing for over 6 hours. My T-zone has been getting oily all day, so I wouldn't suggest this for people with oily skin. But if you're somebody that has oily skin that loves a glowy, dewy foundation, I would suggest this. This is a really nice foundation for people with dry skin also, because it's very moisturizing on the skin. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Deuce.